Hello, this is Leb from TrialLine, and today I'm going to tell you about an exciting and brand new layout option recently added, the pyramid layout. Previously, there were 3 different layouts TrialLine users could use to view the events on their trial line. The relative layout, which is the main responsive view you first see when you open a trial line and displays the events relative to each other as they occurred in time. The carousel layout, which puts each event on one of 2 rows and displays each sequentially, one right after the other, one up and one down. And the list of events layout, which displays all of the event data in a list that can be sorted by different headers. Now, the pyramid layout is a new option that is available to all TrialLine users that we're very excited about. The pyramid layout displays all of the event and fact entries on your trial line in a row, with the event in the center being elevated above the other events as you move through the trial line, clearly designating that event as the main focus and making it the center of attention. You can move through your events by using the roller on your mouse or the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a timeline that covers the entire period of your trial line, along with individual lines that represent all of the months in each year. Darker lines represent months that have events in them. As you move through the trial line, the lines change color to red to indicate which month you're currently in. You can also click on these indicator lines to quickly move to specific months. All of the other functions work the exact same way as they do in the other layouts, including category and tag filters. To change to the pyramid layout, hover over the Select Layout button and then click on the icon with the 3 rectangles. One important thing to note. If some of your events appear to be cut off, it may be because of your browser scale. To change the browser scale, Window users can use the Control-, Control+, and Control-0 keys, and Mac users can use the Command-, Command+, and Command-0 keys. This new layout gives you a very nice option for cleanly displaying the events on your trial line while maintaining the focus where you want it. Go to TrialLine.net today to start your free 2-week trial period and learn how TrialLine helps you show your story.